Hello students, my name is Shaishav and today I will be focusing on autocomplete feature of Excel. So let's understand it through using our dummy company which we created for our project, which sells a book uh, and those are the book names and author names. So in order to understand autocomplete, whenever I just come on the author, I need to write an author's name. So if I select B, it will automatically, you can see that it automatically fills the name of the already previously used beta. So what the Excel does, that if you have already written the data in it, it will select and give you the option that, hey, you have written this in before, do you need to use this again? If you don't want to use it, you can just simply you keep writing that is Benjamin or something like that, and so you can just keep writing it. However, when I see we can create another one which is double. So as soon as we create another book which is name is double, however this time if I just write B, it won't select or it won't show me in the option. Why? Because there are two B's, which is this one and beta. So Benjamin and beta, two things. So Excel is kind of only shows those recommendation or autocomplete feature which when it's sure that only one name or one specific name are similar to any of the cells. Currently there are two B's in the entire column, so it's not sure which one you're selecting for. So if I write BE, I still want to select sure, because there is BE same. So now if I select T, it will try to show that, hey, there's only BEA is remaining, which is for the beta, and it could be beta. So Excel is just showing you the option. Now if I just write BEN, then we can see that there's only unique BEN, and the rest of the name which is have not appeared in entire of the column is Benjamin. So Excel is like, and do you want to try are you trying to write Benjamin? So this is the much more useful autocomplete feature, and when you're working in industry, it becomes much more easier for us, or any of the program it becomes easier uh, for people who are doing the data entry, because the thing is it helps us to create less spelling errors, because every now and then I don't need to write Benjamin spelling right, or it just writes the similar spelling, so you can keep the spelling consistency throughout the video, not video, sorry. You can keep the spelling consistency throughout your sheet, and that's why you can avoid spelling errors. And many of the times spelling errors could sometimes result in the devastating effects, because it might change the author's name or make a different errors which we don't want. So again, this one a recap of the entire video. As soon as I write a T, it will show zeta A or something. If you just press backspace, you can just remove that selected autocomplete thing, or if you don't want to have that, you can just start writing it or press the backspace. So I'm just writing zeta, and if I want, instead of zeta, I want a P, so I can just write P and just press enter, so it will automatically select the specific selected recommended autocomplete. So based on that, if you just write it, I just want to write the author, which is kappa. So as soon as I write K, we can see that it auto gives me autocomplete feature. So if I press enter, it will just autofill the autocomplete suggestion. If I don't like my autocomplete suggestion, I can just start typing, or I can do is press backspace and start whatever I want to write, I can start writing it. This is the simple feature you can keep in mind, and it's always handy. You can use it's useful for this purpose, to avoid spelling mistakes, as well as at the same time to keep the consistency and make it our workflow much more easier. I hope you enjoy the video. Please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much.